In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a credit card with Rocket Money Online 2025. Start by heading to the official Rocket Money website in your browser. For your security, check that the address bar shows a secure connection before you sign in. If you already have an account, log in as usual. If not, create a free account by following the on-screen prompts. Use a strong, unique password and enable multi-factor authentication if it's offered. It's a simple way to keep your financial information safer. Once you're in, navigate to the credit section. The layout may change over time, but you're generally looking for a tab or menu item related to credit, cards, or offers. This is where Rocket Money aggregates available credit card options tailored to general categories and, in some cases, your profile. Take a moment to compare the available cards. Look at key details, like the annual fee, the purchase APR after any introductory period, rewards categories, and any welcome offers. Also consider your spending habits. If you dine out often, a dining-focused card may be more valuable than a flat-rate card, and vice versa. If you see language about pre-qualification or estimated approval odds, that usually indicates a lighter check and can help set expectations before a full application. When you're ready, open the application for the card you've chosen. You'll be asked for accurate personal and financial details, such as your address, employment information, and income. Take your time and be consistent with how your information appears on official documents. Providing complete and truthful details helps avoid delays. Before you submit, review everything carefully. Confirm that your contact information is correct, read the terms and disclosures, and understand any fees or promotional periods. If there's an option to receive documents electronically, make sure you're comfortable with that. Submitting with confidence now can save you from back and forth later. After you submit, you'll either get an instant decision or see a message that your application is under review. If it's pending, keep an eye on your email or in-app messages in case additional documentation is requested. Try to avoid submitting multiple applications in a short period, as that can impact your credit profile and make approvals harder. Once approved, follow the activation instructions provided, typically through the app or a secure phone line. Then set up account alerts. Choose your payment due date, if allowed, and consider enabling autopay to avoid late fees. Add the card to your mobile wallet for quick access and start using it responsibly, aiming to pay your statement balance in full to minimize interest. And that's it, your online credit card application with Rocket Money from start to finish.